Hi people, today we're at a Premier Inn in Swindon in the town centre. This is basically Premier Inn's first all-electric hotel. So I thought I'd come and take a look. So yeah, we've got a family room. Let's check these beds. Where it was opened in October. So there we go, all nice and clean. I'm hoping it will be clean because, like I said, it hasn't been open that long. It's only been, what, 3 months? So yeah, you've got these night lights. Move. The typical pillows, USB socket and plug socket, bedside table, art on the wall there, and then we've got, let's have a look. So this is where you turn your temperature up, down for, and that comes out here. By the looks of it. So yeah, let's have a look at this other bed, shall we? Again. Oh, so this ain't actual mattress. This is like a futon, as you can see. So yeah, that's fitted like a futon bed. And then you've got bin there, you've got your desk, your chair, and then you've got your plug sockets there. You've got a little lamp there, kettle. Yes, it's clean. Some cups. Yeah, clean. Milk, sugar, and brown sugar and sweetener. So yeah, they've not got much here really, have they, compared to what they normally put in their Premier Inn hotels. And 2 glasses. And then we've got the TV. Check it works. Green light's just gone on. Yeah. So yeah, that works. Then you've got heating instructions there. How to work your temperature control. Then you've got a menu. So for your breakfast. Take a look at the price there and what's on the menu. And then for kids, so there's no menu for the actual restaurant downstairs and for dinner or what. Just tells you what's on for your breakfast. So yeah. And then you got coat hangers, pillows, by the looks of it, and that futon for the futon, cushion for the futon there. Then you've got a full-length mirror. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. Got a drawer here, nothing in there. Hairdryer and plug sockets there. And then you've got your mirror lights there. And there's a towel there. And then for your key card to put the lights on. And then you've got coat hooks there. And then you've got the fire regulation there. Let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? So this is the bathroom. So you've got your toilet roll. That looks like it could be in a public toilet. And then toilet. Sink. Yeah, that's clean. Taps, clean. And then you've got your Bayliss and Harding hand wash. And you've got this shower screen here. I don't know how it actually works. It's like you've got a handle there. There's some stiffness there. You've got a rainfall shower there. That's clean. And then you've got another shower head here. And that's clean as well. And then you've got your bath. Taps and bath. That's pretty clean. And then you've got your hair and body wash there as well. And your floor towel. And some more towels there in your towel rail. And coat hook. But yeah. And your bin there. Quite a little bathroom, I think. Compared to what most Premier Inns are. See if I can show you a bit better. So yeah. But now of course, in this chair, leather looking chair. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you really enjoy these videos, please share them. And yeah, we're in a oh, actually, let's have a look on the outside, shall we? This is a floor to ceiling window, and that's the car park. And then that's the town right there, basically. So, yeah. So don't forget, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So this handle, I said to you, is tough to close the shower door. Well, basically, by the looks of it, it's actually a support handle to when you get out the shower or the bath. So, yeah, quite clever. No, because it's not on a wall or what. It's quite supportive. As well as I used it this morning. Right, I noticed with these heating instructions for the temperature control and all is not the same as that. Right, so basically we touch that screen, touch again, and we can press on. I'm going to have to put that down so I can do that. Right, so we press on, and then you set your temperature, you hit the fan, and then you can have the fan go up, or you can have the fan down. So that is nothing at all like that. So, considering this is only about 3 months old building, I'm shocked that basically is totally different thermostat for the heating and the fan, air conditioning. So your check-in area. Well, you got your reception bit, which I'm not going to film because of people being there. And the books as well. And then you got seating area there. And you got seating area there. And then you got round the corner. That's to get to your rooms. And then you got your vending machines. You got your snacks there. And then you got your drinks, bottle drinks, and cans there. That's a good quote. But yeah, as you can see, that's the Premier Inn in Swindon, in the town centre. So this is your hallway section of floor 3. And as you can see, John Murray building over there. That's that one. And then you've got the train station over there. Zoom in a bit. So that's that one there. And then you've got the old Debenhams building there. And then you got the Brunel, just that glass roof one there. So yeah, and then you got some of the rest of the town, and you got car park there and electricity charging points there. Right, let's go and walk down to the room. So as you can see, it's still purple. way. This way. So yeah, long corridor. Yeah. And then halfway down here you got the fire escape stairs, which hopefully I'll get to show you in a few seconds. As I said, it is a long corridor. I'm trying not to get my granddaughter in the video as well. So yeah, those are the fire stairs, basically, and then fire. So yeah. So then you end up with a window at this end, and you see the classes, the Iceland car park behind there, and also that circus tent thing used to be the tented market. So yeah, that was the premiere in Swindon Town Centre, and as I said, that's the first 100% electricity premiere in, as they're trying to go greener. So yeah, I'll show you the fascia from the side. It's the fascia from the side. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I said I went a bit further than what I normally do, like we're showing the restaurant area and the bar area, as I don't normally show them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.